Assalamu alaikum 7th class. Hope you are all fine. Unit number 5, Introduction to Programming Languages. Topic 5.2.2, High Level Languages. We have already learnt about the high level languages and that are very close to human languages but totally different from machine language or called high level languages. And these are third generation languages. High level languages consist of English words, basic mathematical symbols and a few punctuation characters. Each high level language has its own language translator that translate instruction into machine language. Sometimes abbreviated as HLL, a high level language is a computer programming language that isn't limited by the computer, designed for the specific job and easier to understand. It is more like human language and less like machine language. However, for a computer to understand and run a program created with a high level language, it must be compiled into machine language. And here is the few examples of high level languages, which is Fortran, Basic, COBOL, the example of third generation languages. And we have also learnt about the Fortran language. Fortran stands for Formula Translation. This high level language was developed by IBM in 1957 for scientific purposes. Class, it's page number 118. Today we are going to learn about the high level language second example, that is Basic. Basic is an acronym for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It is one of the earliest and simplest high-level programming languages. In 1964, John G. Kameny and Thomas E. Kurtz designed the original Basic language at Dartmouth College, USA. During 1970s, Basic had become the principal programming language taught to the students at school level. There are many versions of Basic, but GW Basic is popular at school level. We will learn programming in GW Basic in the next class. Basically, the original Basic was developed at Dartmouth College by John Kameny and Thomas E. Kurtz and introduced in 1964. Basic is short form of Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code and is an easy to understand programming language that was popular during 1970s and 1980s. Today, Basic is not used to develop programs, but is sometimes used to help to teach the fundamentals of programming. This language taught to the student at school level. There are several versions of Basic, but GW Basic is popular at school level. Students, you will learn programming in the next class. Next example of high-level language is COBOL, and it's on page number 119. COBOL is an acronym for Common Business Oriented Language. This language was designed for business use. COBOL is the short form of Common Business Oriented Language. COBOL was first appeared in 1959 as Grace Hopper, Bob Beamer, and others began their work in its development. COBOL is the second oldest high-level programming language and is still in use by many businesses and governments. COBOL is responsible for the efficient, reliable, secure, and unseen day-to-day operations of the world's economy. The day-to-day logic used to process our most critical data is frequently done using COBOL language. Our next example of high-level language is Pascal. Pascal is a high-level language named after the scientist Pascal. It is the combination of the best features of the languages Fortran and COBOL in use at that time. This combination of features made it a high successful language. Pascal is a high-level language. Pascal was originally developed in 1970 by Nicolas Wirth and is named after the famous French mathematician Blaise Pascal. It is the blend of best features languages Fortran and COBOL in use at that time. While Pascal is a reliable and efficient programming language, it is the mainly used to teach programming techniques. In fact, It is the first language that many programmers learn. There are commercial versions of Pascal that are used, but in general, most developers favor Java, C++, C, etc. The updated version of third generation languages are called fourth generation languages. These are user-friendly languages. Visual, Basic, Oracle and Fox Pro are the few examples of fourth generation programming languages. The updated versions of third generation languages are called fourth generation languages, and these are very approachable languages. Few examples of fourth generation languages are Visual, Basic, Oracle and Fox Pro. The latest programming languages which are used to write programs based on artificial intelligence are known as fifth generation languages. Lisp, Lisp and Prolog are the examples of such languages. Lisp is acronym for List Processing. It was designed for artificial intelligence. Originally, Lisp was developed in 1958. It is the second oldest high-level programming language. After fourth generation, fifth generation programming languages were introduced. It is the latest programming languages which are used to write programs based on AI, artificial intelligence. Students, artificial intelligence is an area of computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines that work and react like humans. Some of the activities computers with artificial intelligence are designed for include speech recognition, learning, planning and problem solving. Lisp and Prolog are the examples of fifth generation languages. Lisp stands for List Processing, and it has been prepared for the beginners to help them understand the basic to advanced concept related to artificial intelligence. Lisp was originally created as a practical mathematical notations for computer programs, and it is the second oldest high-level programming language, and it was developed in 1958. Now come to the exercise. Today we are going to cover exercise F question number 3. What are high-level languages? Explain any two high-level languages. Its answer is on page number 117. High-level languages. Computer languages which are very close to human languages but totally different from machine language are called high-level languages. These are third generation languages. High-level languages consist of English words, basic mathematical symbols and a few punctuation characters. Each high-level language has its own language translator that translate instructions into machine language. Fortran, Basic and COBOL are the examples of third generation languages. Fortran stands for Formula Translation. This high-level language was developed by IBM in 1957 for scientific purposes. Rest of the answer is on page number 119. Pascal. Pascal is a high-level language named after the scientist Pascal. It is the combination of the best features of the languages Fortran and COBOL in use at that time. This combination of features made it a highly successful language. The updated versions of third generation languages are called fourth generation languages. These are user-friendly languages. Visual, Basic, Oracle and Fox Pro are the few examples of fourth generation programming languages. And now come to the exercise A, question number 13. What are fifth generation languages? Its answer is on page number 121. Key point number 38. The latest programming languages which are used to write programs based on artificial intelligence AI are known as fifth generation languages. Lisp and Prolog are the fifth generation languages. Take care of yourself, class. Allah Hafiz.